Good morning, students. How are you? I am Antosh Kumar Singh, math teacher. I am working in the SLPS school, Balia. I have told about that quadratic equation. I already have some questions I have solved. But next, nature of the root of quadratic equation. This trimen denoted by d equal b square minus 4ac. D equal b square minus 4ac. This trimen d equal b square minus 4ac. And x equal minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. 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 We know that quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. You know, so x equal minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a Sidracharya rule. Sidracharya rule. It means that question not can be solved by the factorization method. The use of the Sidracharya formula here, x equal minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a Sidracharya formula. After that, value, nature of root and roots. It means d is greater than 0. D is greater than 0. We can say real and unequal. Real and unequal. It means minus b plus minus root d by 2a. You can solve. After that d equal 0. If the given the question d equal 0, it means real and equal. Real and equals. And each root is equal minus b by 2a. According to question, if d is less than 0, d is less than 0, no real roots not here. Understood? It means d, repeat again, d greater than 0. It means real and unequal minus b plus minus root d by 2. D means discriminant. D equal b square minus 4ac. After that, d equal 0, real and unequal, each root equal minus b by 2a. And d less than 0, no real roots not. Next question, I am telling, suppose that questions are given here. X equal minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. We can write also here alpha equal minus b plus here root b square minus 4ac means d by 2a. 2a and beta equal minus b and minus root d by 2a. We can write here this type alpha and beta denoted. Alpha is a Greek word, you know that, and beta is a Greek word. Minus b minus root d by 2. We can solve this type of question. Suppose that I am giving some questions for you. Suppose that given the question x square plus 10x plus 28 equal 0. You can solve. First of all, find the root of this equation, discriminant, find out the discriminant. So first of all, ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. You know, ax square means ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So first of all separate a equal 1, b equal 10 and c equal 28. And the d means d equal b square minus 4ac. We know that discriminant d equal b square minus 4ac. So d and the d, b means 10. Given the 10, 10k square minus 4, a equal 1 and c equal 20 by 2a, a equal 1 to 2 into, so d for only for the d equal 10k square minus 4 into 1 into 20. It means 10 10 100 and 28 4 ja 8 4 ja 32, 4 2 ja 8 3 11. D minus 12, d minus 12, d equal minus 12. Find the value of the d. Next question I am telling about. Next question here. Next question. Find the value of k which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal 0. Given the question, the first of use of the discriminant a equal to b equal k and c equal 3. You know that d equal b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. So d equal b are given k square 4 into a means 2 and c means 3. C means 3. So d equal k square minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. We can write here k square minus 24 equal 0. D equal 0. If you write that d equal 0, the k square equal 24. K square equal 24 transversal here. So k is root में 24 plus minus here. So k 24 factorization here 24 means 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. So pair of the two here. So k equal plus minus 2 is out means 3 2 is 6, not pair. So k equal plus minus 2 root 6. We can write here. And next question I am telling. Next question I am taking from the quadratic equation. Next question is the quadratic equation. Next question. Suppose that question are given, find the root of equation. Given the question 2x square minus 8x plus 5 equal 0. Given the question, find the nature of root of quadratic equation. So first of all, find the D. Given the question form of the ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So first of separate here, a equal to b equal minus 8 and c equal 5. So first of all, D find the D. D means b square minus 4ac. D equal minus 4 ac. Given the b minus 8 का square minus 4 a equal to and c equal 5. So d equal 8 adjacent minus 4 to the 8 5 to 40. 4 to the 8 5 to 40. It means d equal 4 or 6 less than 4 to 20. D equal 24. Use of the Siddhartha formula. We know that x equal minus b plus minus root d by 2a. 2a. Find the value of x. So b equal minus a. The minus into minus plus. So plus a plus minus. D means given the 24. 24 here, right? After that 2 into a are given to 2 here, x equal plus 8 plus minus root 24 means 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 24. Pair of 2, so 2 pair out of the 2, pair and 3 to the 6 by 2 to the 4. First of all, common is 2. 2 4 जाएगा प्लस माइनस रूट 6 by 4 2 to the 4 x equal 4 plus minus root 6 by 2a. X equal 4 plus minus root 6 by 2a. We know that x equal minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Alpha equal minus b plus root d by 2a and beta equal minus b minus root d by 2a. Separate here. X is given. So first of all alpha here. Alpha means 4 plus root 6 by 2 and beta equal 4 minus root 6 by 2. This answer and this answer. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe and comment also. Thank you for everyone.